Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. It's been quite a busy week for me doing gardening and other around the house things that are not fun in my opinion. But I wanted to share with you a DIY that I did for Halloween. This is using all Dollar Tree supply. What you're going to need are these plastic buckets. They come 2 or 3 in a pack. Some of the dollar store rocks or anything else that you're going to need for weight. And I'm using some empty ribbon spools as a riser inside of my bucket, so I don't have to fill it too much, because what I'm going to be using is the styrofoam base, and I wanted just to have something to attach the styrofoam to make the bucket a little bit taller. So as you can see, I'm taking some hot glue, the styrofoam, also from the Dollar Tree. I believe you get one in a pack. And then these are the Dollar Tree foam pumpkins. I've painted this one white. I've grunged up another one in a shade of orange. And now I'm going to take some Dollar Tree Spanish moss, and I'm going to use that to decorate the base of my pumpkin topiary. Yes, we're making a Halloween topiary. I also have some of this green reindeer moss. I just wanted to add a little touch of it, but then afterwards I decided it was too bright and cheerful and green for me, and I wanted to keep this a little bit of a dark Halloween look, so I ended up using more of the Spanish moss instead to decorate my topiary instead of the green one. But there is a few little touches of the bright green moss also on here. So this is pretty much a simple process of you covering up the base of the styrofoam base. Then I'm taking a skewer and off center to the side, I'm sticking that in with the orange pumpkin, adding some hot glue, and then I'm also stacking that on top is another white pumpkin. And again, I'm making them all off center so that they look kind of lopsided basically. And then I go back in with my little the stems, and I'm adding those back into the pumpkins. So that's really the easy part. Now this tube mesh rope stuff that Dollar Tree sells, I bought it, but I wasn't sure what to do with it, and I ended up using it on only 2 projects, actually 3, but I'm not very fond of it, and it gives the look of a snake, so I decided that's what I was going to go for. But it's very hard to stick and glue in place, and it kind of wants to do its own little thing, so you kind of have to let it play by itself and let it fall a certain way before you stick it. It just doesn't want to go where you want to put it, so kind of follow the curves and let it hang where it wants to as you connect it to your pumpkins and your base. So I'm just using like 2 or 3 strands or lengths of this stuff to attach to make it look like a snake, or I don't know, something creepy, a creepy dark vine, a rotten vine. I don't know what you would want to think of it as, but I was thinking like a snake look. So that's pretty much the basis of it. And then I'm using some letters. I got all of these letters from Michael's on clearance. They were glitter white, and the other one was just like a solid white, and I painted them all black. They weren't like from an exact set, they're all different, and like I said, they were all clearance, 50 cents each, and I just picked out the word boo. They had enough letters there for boo, and that's what I'm using for my sign itself. So just some hot glue to stick that onto the front, and like I said, I painted that with just some acrylic craft black paint to give that Halloween touch. So we continue to decorate our base with lots of moss, a little bit more of that blue stuff. If you had some spiders, you can add them on. That's pretty much it, guys. I just hope you like my topiary. This is really simple, easy to do. Again, it can be customized to match any decor, but I think it looks great with the orange, the white, and the black. It's perfect for Halloween, and I love how this turned out in the end. I didn't have so much fun using that ropey stuff, but it's easy DIY that anyone can do for Halloween. Just everything you see here can be found in the dollar store, Dollar Tree to be specific. And if you have any questions about how I created this DIY Halloween topiary, please feel free to let me know. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory and easy for you to create something similar. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon.